Namaste friends. Today we will discuss about birth time rectification or BTR. There are several methods which are used for birth time rectification. In this video I will show you a very simple method. This method is very effective if the time of birth needs to be corrected by 10 to 15 minutes. I have created a sample chart here, so let's take this as an example. The 10th house represents the house of profession, so I will consider the 10th cuspal sublord here. So as you can see here, the 10th cuspal sublord is Sun. Now based on this information, I can cross-check with the client if he or she is working with a government department or a government owned or aided company. Of course, I am going based on the assumption that Sun is connected to the 6th house. If the client disagrees on this point and instead he or she says that they're actually connected to the film industry or fashion industry, or he or she is a designer, then we know that they are talking about significations of Venus. Sun represents the government, but here we see that the native is talking more about something that is signified by Venus. So we can see here that the time of birth mentioned is 2:56 p.m. for the given date. So let's change the time of birth by a few minutes and see if the sublord were to change. So I will go back to edit and let's say I will make this 5-2 instead of 5-6. Save it and let's go back to view the. Let's see now under houses. We can see that the 10th cuspal sublord now is Venus. Venus represents everything connected to art, drama, movies, fashion, jewelry, anything that's got to do with design as well. Now, if the native, instead of saying that he or she is connected to the fashion industry, would have said that he or she is working in the hospitality segment, then what do we do? The moment you hear the words hospitality or hotels or catering, you know that he or she is talking about the significations of moon. As you can see here that in terms of the sequence, moon comes after sun. We corrected the time previously for Venus. Now we'll do the correction for moon. Now let's edit this. We will change 5-2 to let's say 5-8 and save this, and let's go back to viewing the horoscope. Now as you can see here, the 10th cuspal sublord now is moon. So you know that when the person spoke about the significations related to moon, you just had to go and change the time of birth by a few minutes. So if it is Venus, you change the time backwards, and if it is moon, you change the time forwards. I have shown this with the 10th cuspal sublord, but you can pretty much apply the same concept to any other sublord as well. I hope you have understood the logic behind BTR. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.